Hey guys, welcome to this video. Real quick, sorry about the bad image quality. While Windows is installing, I obviously can't run a screen recording software, so I had to record this whole stuff on my phone, but you can still read the text and stuff, so I hope it's okay. Okay, so when we clean install Windows, we can run across the following problem. So down here it says, Windows can't be installed on the drive. So we're gonna click on Show Details, and it says, Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI Systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT Disks. So basically what that means is that our disk, our hard drive, has the wrong format. So to fix it, we're just going to reformat our disk. So we're going to go ahead and on our keyboard press Shift and F10 at the same time. So we get this terminal window here. And in here we're typing disk part and hit enter. When it says disk part here on the left, we're going to type in list disk and hit enter. And it shows us, well, a list of our disks. And so we have a look at which disk we want to install Windows on, which is the biggest one in disk 0 in our case. So to select it, we're going to type in select disk 0 and hit enter. And it promptly tells us that disk 0 is now selected. Now we're going to type in clean, but keep in mind that this command is now formatting our drives, our hard drives. So it's deleting everything that's on it, right, on our computer. So keep that in mind. Okay, we have clean, so we hit enter. We succeeded in cleaning the disk, wonderful. Now we put in convert GPT, hit enter again. And it tells us successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format, which is what we wanted. So we're done here. We type in exit and hit enter, and then we can exit out of this window via the red X here on the top right. So we're back to our error message, kill that by clicking OK. And now what's important before we try and continue installation, it's important to refresh first, right? Hit refresh, and that takes a quick second. And now we only have one partition left, and our error message down at the bottom is also gone. So now we can just click next and continue our installation. Okay, that's it already. I hope that this was helpful, and if it was, please hit subscribe at the bottom, and see you next time.